So, welcome to the AI webinar, How to Go from Buzzword to Time Saver, hosted by Plan. We're a strategic meetings and event management platform that centralizes every aspect of the planning process, from the sourcing to the planning to the negotiating and even contracting, payments, and reporting.
I'm Natalie Noble. I am an events and marketing coordinator at Avanade, which is a Microsoft and Accenture company. I also, in my spare time, also create events and curate events here in Chicago. Most of them are centered in the tech space and also in the professional networking space as well. So I'm definitely just glad to be here on the panel to talk about my expertise or even about how Plan helps others. Let me share my screen. For one, besides obviously using Chat GPT for all of my word blocking, I also use the plugins option, which is another option on the pro plan as well. Specifically with Canva, I'm able to create social media posts if I needed to schedule out or have some social media posts going alongside with my content for the event. And then also sometimes I need to look up flights or stays for people for events on the back end to do that. And then also if I'm looking at a event space, a venue, or whatever the case, I use the link reader to give me better insight on whether or not this might be the space for me, or to summarize the website. So that way I can get all the information I need without having to scanning so much. But one of the ways in which I use ChatGPT recently was with a client that I have that's for Skyway Bowling. They're a bowling alley, and they literally needed a marketing plan or strategy in order to kind of promote their corporate ditch days for their bowling parties. And I needed a email and also a cold call script so that way I could be able to promote their events for them. And so Chat GPT pretty much gave me a market research email marketing strategy, and also ways in which I can use cold calls and other marketing avenues to promote and push the corporate ditch days event that they're looking to have, and also give me other examples as well, which was very helpful. And so then again, like I said, I need a call script and an email that works well with the plan. So they were able to give me that. Now, obviously, they didn't know every little detail about my name or whatnot, but I'm pretty sure if I gave that information to them, I would be able to. And then they also gave me the email script that I could send out. And this goes back to when I was mentioning, although it's Chat GPT can kind of be copy and paste, but you definitely want to go through and make sure that what's being said is written in your voice, because sometimes other than that, it'll just be written in voices of which, they know best, or what they pretty much have. And then another way that I use Chat GPT again was for Skyway Bowl. They were doing, oh, there we go. For Skyway Bowl, they were doing or wanted to have a Halloween custom bowling party proposal for them. And so I basically asked ChatGPT to give me a la carte pricing for the services that it would be, assistance with promotion and marketing, day of setup, vendor scouting, and everything like that. And so I was able to put together pretty much a list of a la carte pricings for me as a freelancing event planner based upon what the industry prices would be for these types of services. So this was able to help me without having to ask anybody, what are the normal costs or what should my costs be able to put that together and put that proposal together as well for them. So whether or not I want to work with these prices, whether I want to increase them or decrease what ChatGPT had, it was available for me to obviously use and to help me be better as an event planner for the events that I like to put together. And then they always give this disclaimer to let you know that they pulled this information, but to make it your own. So I always love that about Chat GPT as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much for that demo, Natalie. I think one of the key takeaways is we got to use ChatGPT for.